We didn't see his tail. Not really feeding. Oh, look at him. There he is again, huh? Just kind of swim. We'll take a picture. Look at him. He's just not even going under. He's just swimming along. That's so cool. Oh, there's the tail.
Oh.
But it doesn't really go up for something. Oh, there we go. No. Oh, look at the.
Nice high flukes from Pinball. And you can see a little bit of brown in the water over there. That is what you think it is. That'll be no poop. Right before or right after.